Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain and answer some of the questions and inquiries which has been raised by some of the friends who have seen the previous videos, wine videos. First, Tom from New York actually asked me to explain what is the difference between the oak wine and the wines from still. So basically, oak wine is the wine fermented in the wood barrel, which the wood barrel will have some flavors including tannins, vanillins and oak lectin, which release from the wood barrels into the wine. Thus, it makes the wine more tastefulness and more flavors. Whereas the wine from the still actually focus extracting the raw nature of the types of the grapes itself. So, yeah. Well, second, Darren from Singapore asked me, should the wine be chilled before drinking? Well, if you're not too fastidious on wine drinking, normally the white wine should be served between 5 degrees Celsius and 12 degrees Celsius, whereas the red wine should be served between 12 degrees Celsius and room temperature. If you don't have the wine chiller, there's one good rule for you to remember. For the white wine, you can store it in the normal kitchen fridge, not more than 1 month, and you are able to drink it at any time. Whereas the red wine, you should put it in the fridge 30 minutes to 1 hour before you want to drink, and it should have time to raise in the room temperature when you are drinking. Well, that's it. If you have more questions and inquiries, please comment or PM me, and I shall answer your inquiries in the next clips. So thank you, see you, bye.